The WAVLINK AC1200 Outdoor Extender excels in providing strong Wi-Fi coverage with speeds up to 1,200 megabits per second, ensuring reliable connectivity in outdoor spaces. Its dual-band capability, offering 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz options, allows for flexible and efficient data transmission. The integrated Power over Ethernet feature simplifies installation by using a single Ethernet cable for both power and data, which is particularly beneficial for remote outdoor setups. Designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, this extender boasts an IP65 waterproof enclosure, along with protection against electrostatic discharge and lightning. With dual gigabit Ethernet ports, it supports speeds that are 10 times faster than standard Ethernet, enhancing overall network performance. The versatility of operating in multiple modes such as mesh, access point, router, and repeater makes it suitable for various networking needs.